welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Thursday, 9 March, Father Litus Balbie, a priest and former professional sportsman responsible for the pastoral care of sports for the Spanish Episcopal Conference, inaugurated the first conference on sport and faith, which brought together around 100 people from all the country to learn about, discuss and propose lines of collaboration in the pastoral care of sport. The day, celebrated with the motto, "Sport at the Service of the Church," aims to present itself as a fixed appointment and was hosted by the Salesians of Pamplona, who also helped to organize it, together with the Archdiocese of Pamplona and Tudela. Through various roundtables and presentations, the pastoral care of sport, recently created by the Spanish Episcopal Conference, was illustrated, as were the various sporting initiatives and projects that are already being developed in different areas of the Church, such as the Salesian Sport proposal presented by Diego Perez Ordonez. Furthermore, the seed has been sown to look for new ideas and alliances that can be realized in the future. This first edition was mainly aimed at the educational and sporting community, with the aim of creating a forum for discussion and reflection in which to bring out formulas and strategies for working with sport in the educational field, and to offer a broad vision of sport as commitment, as a space to live the faith, as a tool for integration and personal improvement. On Friday, March 10, 2023, the Salesian Community House and the multi-purpose sports field were officially handed over and blessed, works on which the new presence of the Salesians of Don Bosco in the department of Pando, in the municipality of Cubija in the Bolivian Amazon region, is being configured and consolidated for the benefit of the children and youth of the place. The event was attended by the following dignitaries: Ana Lucia Rios, Mayor of Cubija; Monsignor Eugenio Cotter, Bishop of the Apostolic Vicariate of Pando; Monsignor Tito Solari, SDB Archbishop Emeritus of Cochabamba; Father Leader Justiniano, SDB Provincial of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Bolivia; Father Juan Elias Siripi, Parish Pastor of Our Lady of Pilar Parish; Dr. Marco Aspint, Executive Vice President of Banco Bisa; Father Pedro Nishizawa, SDB member of the Salesian community in Cubija; and Soraya Zampieri, President of the OTB Roberto Rojas Neighborhood Council. On this occasion, Father Leader Justiniano, the Provincial of the Salesians of Don Bosco, pointed out that the presence of the Salesians in Bolivia goes back more than 100 years, 1896. At the same time, he reviewed the steps taken to consolidate the Salesians present in Cubija. In Bolivia, the Salesians are in Santa Cruz, Cochabamba, La Paz and Sucre, and we just needed to get out in the central axis. That's why my confrere and predecessor as provincial, Father Javier Ortiz, thought of Cubija. And as the saying goes, some sow and some reap. The Student Council and the Cultural Club of the Don Bosco College of Arts and Sciences in Chennai organized the first interscholastic cultural mega festival for 13th and 14th March, entitled JIF 23, and made under the motto "Choose Life, Say No to Drugs." The festival featured a total of 17 events, both on and off stage, attended by around 1,250 students from various colleges, arts and sciences, medicine and engineering in and around Chennai. JIF 23 served as a platform to create awareness and spread the message of a culture of life against substance abuse among young people. In fact, all the events and competitions scheduled in the program dealt with this theme in one way or another. Around 50 personalities from the world of media and entertainment also supported the cause and were present at the event, which was hosted by Vignesh Anthony, winner of the 7th season of stand-up comedian reality series Kalaka Povadhu Yaru. The appointment has already been prepared with great care and in the smallest details. On Saturday, 11 March, for example, a promotional event took place at the Bessie Beach in Chennai with street theatre and music performances, and various celebrities had posted their best wishes for JIF 23 on their social profiles. On March 15, the last day of the 2022 to 2023 extraordinary visitation of the AFM Vice Province of South Africa, Lesotho and Eswatini, the installation of the new superior took place at the Bosco Youth Centre in Walkerville, Johannesburg. During 2 morning sessions, Father Alphonse Ovodu, Regional Councillor for the Africa-Madagascar region, shared his insights and recommendations after visiting all 7 communities in 3 countries of the Blessed Michael Rua Vice Province. Presenting the roadmap of the Rector Major to the newly appointed Superior, Father Vaclav Clement, and his council for 2023 to 2029, Father Ovodu underlined many positive charismatic realities and some concrete ways for the charismatic relaunching of the Vice Province. AFM Salesians are called to share a long tradition of local missionary volunteers with other 13 African provinces along with other creative ways of youth ministry. At the same time, the regional councillor encouraged the 25 present conference to foster greater family spirit and more radical ways of religious life, especially to heighten the sense of belonging to one provincial community. The Salesian Leadership Retreat was held from Friday, March 3rd through Thursday, March 9 at the Don Bosco Retreat Center in Stony Point, New York. The retreat was led by 13 young team members and 11 core team members, with Vicky Weekly serving as the retreat director. In addition to Father Lou Molinelli, who served as chaplain, and Father Steve Demao, who served as young team coordinator, the core team included a Salesian sister, a Salesian brother, 2 men to information, and 4 Salesian school alumni, young adults. 10 schools sent participants from across the SDP and FMA provinces. The participants were given the opportunity to attend Mass, reconciliation, adoration, and other creative moments of prayer. The participants also listened to witness talks, received brief information, and were able to share in small and large group settings in addition to moments for journaling. No experience of the Salesian oratory would be complete without plenty of time for fun, including structured games and unstructured recreation time. As always, the invitation of the SLR was not only to experience the oratory, but also to become Valdoco and to be sent back to their school communities in order to continue the mission of Don Bosco. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.